Welcome to a quick demo of the Local Agency Box Done For You membership portal. With this offer, you get full white label rights to rebrand and resell all the agency assets at your own price, and you get to keep all the profits for yourself. Plus, more than that, we help you remove all the heavy liftings by giving you a ready-made membership portal. All you have to do is simply to plug in your bank details, collect payments, and start creating membership access for your users easy peasy. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate the admin area of the membership portal and how to perform some basic actions like creating and managing user accounts, etc. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the members area from a user's end so you can see the quality of delivery you'd be able to sell to your customers. I already have an account, so I'll just enter my details and hit Login. As you can see, the members area is very simple and clean. Even a complete beginner can use this. Hover on Account Details to see all your account options, Account Details and Profile, Membership Level, Cancel Membership Subscription here. See your billing details here. Scroll down to see your account details. You can click here to log out. Scroll down a bit further to see billing history. Your customers can click here to access download links to all the agency assets. See? Everything is super easy and straightforward, no complications. Now, let's take a look at the admin area and how you can create and manage users. Once you're logged in, click on Memberships. This brings you to your admin dashboard where you can control and customize everything. Scroll down a bit to view some quick options available to you. Click here to view, customize, or update membership levels. Click here to manage, edit, or create new membership pages. This one is important. Click here to configure and set up your payment details so you can start collecting payments. And so on. When you scroll down a bit further, you'll see your sales and revenue stats, recent members stats, membership and order stats, and a host of other relevant stats. Click here to view your members. To edit a user's details like account name, password, or even membership level, click on the user ID. You can make all your desired changes here. Once done, scroll down and hit the Update button. To create a new user, scroll up and click on Add New. Fill out the required details and then click Add New User. Once a user is added, they'll be able to log in and access their members area and download the assets just like this. See? This is super cool. Also, this offer comes with professional, proven, and ready-made marketing assets that you can use to start selling like a pro. You get a done-for-you sales page, which comes with proven copy, content, and graphics to help you sell like a boss. An animated sales video. Email swipes. Marketing graphics. Training videos to onboard your customers, and so much more. This is a complete business-in-a-box package, and it's incredible that it's going for such a low one-time fee. You buy once, but you can keep making recurring income from this in the months and years to come. Do not sleep on this offer. It's a total no-brainer. Plus, it's completely risk-free if you take action now. See you on the inside.
thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you discover how to start managing a successful business by working with the right clients the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.